Look where it says Bed Bath & Beyond real big.
Customer service, convenience, selection. The Quintard Mall has what you've been looking for. Grab a bite to eat in our food court. Catch a movie in the area's largest stadium-style cinemas. Or shop our wonderful stores. Stop by today. It's time to shop the new Quintard Mall.
There's something big going on. Shop Quintard Mall.
Hello everyone and welcome back to today, and I'm your host Chris, and today we are at the Quintard Mall in Oxford, Alabama on the southern side of the city. Quintard Mall was developed by James A. Grimmer and opened in August 1970. The original anchor store included Britt's, JCPenney, and a junior anchor, SupeRX, a Kroger division drugstore, and the mall initially featured 30 tenants. Britt's closed its location in early 1979 and was replaced by Sears in September 1985. In 1985, a minor renovation upgraded the polished concrete floors to terrazzo. In 1997, Sears underwent a renovation and expansion, reopening much of its upper level. SupeRX also closed its location sometime in the 1980s and was replaced by Martin's Family Clothing. In 1998, Gayfers announced plans to expand into a new store at the eastern end of the mall. However, these plans were shifted when Gayfers was acquired by Dillard's. Dillard's completed the expansion in August 2000, which also introduced a 12-screen AmStar Cinemas and a food court. That same year, JCPenney renovated its location, and the mall held a grand reopening celebration.
Quintard Mall, yes, Quintard Mall has more for you to see. Come see it all.
A Goody store opened at the mall in 2006 but closed in early 2009 when the company liquidated. The store then reopened in March 2010 under new ownership by Stage Stores, but continued operating under the Goody's name. Martin's Family Clothing began liquidating its location at the mall in 2009. The space was initially slated to become Books A Million, but the plans ultimately fell through. During the 2010s, the mall faced increasing issues. Sears closed its location in July 2016, and Goody's closed its store in 2019. In 2017, Whole Property Group purchased the mall, and by 2019, a major renovation project began, demolishing the entire Sears wing and its store. The JCPenney wing was gutted to accommodate exterior-facing store spaces, leaving JCPenney as a standalone anchor store. That wraps up my visit to Quintard Mall. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any memories you have of the mall, so leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And until then, take care and stay safe.